Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video. In today's video we are going to talk about why inverted candles doesn't work very well in the market and why are you doing the mistakes. So let me give you a scenario. Suppose the market is going up, creating more and more green candles or buying candles. So what happens is that then an inverted hammer candle appears in the market, which looks something like this. So when this type of candle appears, normally a newbie trader goes for a short sell or a selling sell, or goes for a down trade, which is something like this. He takes a down trade because he thinks that as this is an inverted hammer candle, it's a weak red candle, so the market will go down. But unfortunately, what happens is that the market doesn't go down. The market actually creates a green candle, something like this or something like this. So he offers a loss. So I hope you have seen this type of I think you have seen this type of scenario again and again in the market. So the way to avoid this sort of mistakes is to wait for a confirmation candle. Let me show you a real life scenario. So this is a market. As you can see, there's a rally or a momentum going on of green candles. There are 1 2 3 4 candles, and then an inverted hammer appears. So if you see or analyze the scenario from here, a rally of red candle appeared, so the market went down, and from here the market went up. So normally this is most people will consider it as a resistance level. So from this resistance level, as you can see, the market made an inverted hammer candle. It went up but it went down. So normally we'll think that okay, the market will go down, but unfortunately, as you can see, there's a green candle on the next one, and maybe some will do a martingale and they may win. But for the forex users, if you are going for a downtrend, if you are taking a downtrend, as you can see, the market went up. So I don't do martingales. I think it's a waste of time and money. So I will not consider it as a winning trade, because you lost it here and you made it here. So at the end of the day, it's like you won $100, you lost $100. So it's a it's a zero profit thing. So I don't do martingales. So without martingales, let's think that okay, you saw this inverted hammer, then you took a downtrend, then you lost it because it made a green candle right here. So how to avoid this sort of mistakes, how to save your money? So the solution is confirmation candle. So let's see the situation again. As I've told you already, as you can see, there are many green candles. There's a rally, there's momentum going on of green candles, and then a red candle appeared, then then inverted hammer appeared, as you can see right here. So you will not take a downtrend right after this one. Okay, you have to wait for a inverted hammer candle. Sorry, you have to wait for a red candle, which I call a confirmation candle. The candle should look like this. If this candle crosses the bottom of this green candle, then there's a good sign. This is a very good sign. If it doesn't really matter. If it's just a small candle, that would it's just a small candle, that would do as well. But do know that these are not confirmation candle. For example, if there's a doji, if it's a small candle or it's a small candle, this sort of candle will not work. That confirmation candle needs to be a large one, right? So this is good, this is not, this is not, and this is definitely not. Okay, this is not, these will not do. Okay, so these will not do. This is the right confirmation candle. Okay, so that's how it is work. That's how things work. These are not good. These are not good confirmation candle. If you see a large red candle, a healthy red candle, only then you will take the trade. So another thing is that, what if you see that there's a green candle, for example, if there's a doji, or there's a small green candle, or there's an inverted hammer candle, or there's a hammer candle, this expresses, or this explains, or this shows that there are still buyers in the market. So there's a chance that maybe the market will go up from here, or maybe you will see a reaction candle right here, and then the market will go up. From here. So what we have learned today is that when you see a momentum, the same thing goes for reverse as well. So let me show you both the scenarios. So the market is going up, up, and then inverted hammer appears like this. So now what you need to do, you need to wait for a confirmation candle which looks something like this. If you see a confirmation candle, then you can take a downtrend. Okay, you can take a downtrend. The same thing goes for the downtrend market as well. So if you see a red candle which is going down, 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 there's a rally or a momentum, and then you see a green candle which green in then you see a green hammer candle which looks something like green inverted hammer candle which looks something like this. Then you need to wait for a confirmation candle, which is this one. If you see a green confirmation candle like this, then you can take a trade for up on the next one. You can take a trade up for the next candle, which is this one. Okay, so always wait for a confirmation candle. Do not trade based on just a single candlestick. Always look for confirmation candle. That's what this video is all about. And I have also made a playlist on how you can read Japanese candlesticks. You can watch those videos as well to get clear idea. And another thing is that, as you can see, the market is showing that the sellers have lost their power. As you can see, there was a momentum from here. There was 3 candles, but there was only one single candle, which is a momentum stop candle. This one is called a reaction candle. As you can see here, it's a reaction candle. And if another red candle comes here, then it is a stop confirmation candle. We'll talk about this in a brief way in one of the later videos. I am already making this video. I'll be posting it very soon. So if you look at this chart, there is a lot of information that you can get if you analyze this properly. So that's it. I hope you have gained a good value from this one. And if you have any question, do comment below. And I have posted videos about these sort of strategies on my channel, and I'll be posting live trading videos and also strategies on that you can use in IQ option and in Quotex to make money. And there is always risk involved, so always do money management, and always have good strategy, and always test and learn. So that's about it. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Until then, take care and have a great day.